24-hour turnaround is our everything. We've always focused on our service. Even the generation before us, it was always get it out of their way, let them keep moving. They need an empty dumpster so they can keep their production going. That's always been what we have been taught from generations past. I want to be the outlier in this industry of servicing a customer too well.
I'm Matt. Our previous partner, they were a little overwhelmed and were not able to service us for up to like 3 days after we call in. Having a 24-hour or even 2 to 3 hour turnaround with Sahd's, it's a game changer. We no longer have to pile our scrap outside and wait for the dumpster to be changed out. It allows us to move forward and get to the next step of the project quicker. Sahd has a wonderful reputation with the community. It's one of the reasons we wanted to align ourselves with them, because we also are very fond of our coworkers, our clients, and the vendors that we share our community with. The differentiator with Sahd's is I don't have to worry about it. I make the call and the material's gone and we get our new dumpster. I like the accountability and the ethics. Everyone has their job and everyone's moving in the same direction. With Sahd's, we're able to do that a little bit better.
The heavyweight for Goodhart Building 1 galvanized. Lightweight for Goodhart Building 1 galvanized.